channel, don't forget to subscribe before you even get into this video, into this soft beat that I'm doing for the holiday look. And I hope you dollies enjoy. Be sure you like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below. Let me know the looks you want me to see, because guess what, I'm posting almost every day until December 25th. I was supposed to say 21st. Where did I get that from? Anyway, hope you enjoy. Be sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Stand up there. So much woman up in here. I don't wanna rub a bit, but I wanna check your wine already. You don't have that much time, cause you only got one song. Then I'm taking my bam bam on to the next job. It's Wendy. Ooh, what you know about it? The minute you hear that monster song, you come looking for me. The wine up on done been treated to seeing me, but you never had the chance to come see me. I never really liked that kind of man who could only joke on my bam bam. But if whining is your expertise, then maybe you could come and whine on me. Just for tonight, you've only got one song to show me your wine. Make this one good, don't waste my time. You've only got one song to show me your wine. One song, don't play with it. One song, you ask for this. One song, come wine on it. One song, come wine on it. One song, don't play with it. One song, come wrangle it. One song, come wine on it. One song, come wine on it. The bottles and they're winding down to the DJ playing old school jams and wine it like a champion. So I'm tired and my waistline done, but then he gonna play some major man and his wine come back like boomerang. I invite you to this winery, so baby you can come and wine and do what you want. Just for tonight, you've only got one song to show me your wine. Make this one good, don't waste my time. You only got one song to show me your wine. One song, don't play with it. One song, you ask for this. One song, come wine on it. One song, come wine on it. One song, don't play with it. One song, come wrangle it. One song, come wine on it. One song, come wine on it. Hold my waistline and take the baseline and wine. Get ready to wine, baby. Climb up on it and then push your fender on it and wine. Oh baby, wine. So do what you want. Just for tonight, you've only got one song to show me your wine. Make this one good, don't waste my time. You've only got one song to show me your wine. One song, one song, don't play with it. One song, you ask for this. One song, come wine on it. One song, come wine on it. One song, don't play with it. One song, come wine on it. One song, come wine on it. One song, come wine on it. Why stand up there? So much woman up in here. I don't wanna rub a bit, but I wanna check your wine already. Stand up there. So much woman up in here. I don't wanna rub a bit, but I wanna check your wine already. You don't have that much time, cause you only got one song. Then I'm taking my bam bam on to the next job. It's Wendy. Ooh, what you know about it? The minute you hear that monster song, you come looking for me. The wine up on done been treated to seeing me, but you never had the chance to come see me. I never really liked that kind of man who could only joke on my bam bam. But if whining is your expertise, then maybe you could come and wine on me. Just for tonight, you've only got somewhat tired and my waistline done, but then ain't gonna play some major man and his wine come back like boomerang. I invite you to this winery, so baby you could come and wine and do what you want. Just for tonight, you only got one song to show me your wine. Make this one good, don't waste my time. You only got one song to show me your